Hi guys, welcome to my channel with love. I'm Bovan. Today I am going to show you how I crocheted this sun hat with a bow. For this I used a 3mm polyester cord. You can use any type of yarn you prefer along with a suitable crochet hook. You will also need a few stitch markers, a needle and a pair of scissors. We need two measurements. First one is head circumference. Second one is height from the top of the head to the ear. First, we will crochet this flat part. For that, we need the head circumference measurement. Next, we divide it by 3.14. Now we get the diameter of the flat part that we need to crochet. Let's start together. Now, make a slip knot and 2 chains. Next, make 6 single crochets into the first chain. Mark the first single crochet with the stitch marker. We already make 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. To start the next round, make 2 single crochets into the stitch with stitch marker. Then mark the first single crochet with the stitch marker. After finishing second round, start the third round by making 1 single crochet into the stitch with the stitch marker. Mark that stitch with the stitch marker. Then make 2 single crochets into the next stitch. This is a single crochet increase. Repeat this pattern 6 times to complete the third round. To start the fourth round, make one single crochet into the stitch with the stitch marker and mark it. Then make a single crochet increase in the next stitch. In the next two stitches, make two single crochets. Then make an increase in the following stitch. Repeat this pattern of two single crochets and one increase 5 times. At the end, you will have one stitch left before the stitch marker. Make one single crochet into that stitch. This is the pattern for our sun hat. Follow this and crochet the flat part according to the measurements you obtain. The height of the crocheted piece should also be measured from where the crochet was started in R1. Okay. After finishing the flat part, the next step is to crochet the body part of the hat. It's very simple. Without removing the stitch marker, make one single crochet into that stitch and mark it. Then work one single crochet into each stitch all the way around. Make sure to remember the round where you finished crocheting the flat circle. If you think you might forget, write it down. This is the one I crocheted using that method. I'll end the video here for the first part. Crochet this section until I bring you the second part soon. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. Also, a quick reminder, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to all. In second part of the video, we can discuss how to crochet the hat brim and this cutest bow. Goodbye. Have a nice day, all of my crochet lovers.